Okay guys, so if you need to get to your oiler on a Poulan Pro, you need to make sure this is unlocked. Make sure it's unlocked, because you could be in a whole world of trouble if it isn't. You do not need to take these 3 screws out. Excuse me. You will need to take off your sprocket, right? And you will need to put rope in your spark plug hole so that your crank don't turn. If this is helping you so far, please take a second to subscribe. It really helps the channel. Obviously, you got to take out your spark plug. You will then have to take this off, and if you're lucky enough to have it written on here, it's a reverse thread, right? I just took a punch. And put it up against that, and made sure she's tight against, the rope has got it nice and tight. And don't damage it. Don't go, you slip off and go in here, but just give it I just give it a good whack like that, and she spun off, right? And putting it back, there's a washer that goes down here, reverse order, right? But yeah, this here was all real bad sawdust and in there over the years, and this one is chewed up. I don't have a new one, but at least I know it's bad, and I'm just going to put it back. I cleaned it all out. It wasn't free. The little when you pry this up, be careful. You can angle this, and there's a steel piece in here. It'll come out with this piece, right? But you got to kind of raise it up and bring it out. It's doable, no problems. And obviously you got to take those 2 screws out, but and when you put it back, it's the same. It's got to go down this lip. If you got this closed, you're in trouble. It'll just wiggle it down until it goes in here. But the problem was, there's a little gear in here, and there's a shaft with 2, and goes into another sleeve with 2 little small holes, and as it rotates, it flings the oil. Well, there was on that rod that fits into the sleeve, on the end, there's a flat piece, right? There's a flat piece, and that when you put it in, you turn it, it would fit in. I thought, oh, okay, so that's the way it goes. No. There was a piece of dirt down there, and that was stopping the gear, and that's why it was chewing up the little plastic gears in here. So that's it, folks. Don't forget, you got your piece to put on here. This was all okay. So yeah, hopefully it'll give me another few tries until I get a new one in the mail. Alexa, pause this here. I don't think it matters what way it goes. Goes down there like that. Then you screw on your, it's going to be the opposite. Like that. Give her, just tighten her up the best you can. She'll tighten up on her own. Like that. And you'll put this washer right there. And where is my do a hickey? And then you put this on right there like that. And then you take, clean that up. That's the socket that I welded up, guys, 2 years ago or more. And still going. It's not as good as a brand new one, but this is a Poulan. I put grease on the roller bearing. you don't have to take these screws out. I thought I was going to have to take out the brake, the chain brake, but I didn't. So I'm going to put these in, be right back. So we got these screws in, which you don't have to take out. And now you just take this, put that on, and then put on your C-clips. I need a new one of them too, but because this one that's not original. This one is wore that I put this clip on to keep this one in. It works. It's been there for, it was only a temporary fix about 6 years ago. So yeah, so get that done. It probably will work now, but it's not going to be guaranteed to work all the time because of the gear so bad. But I only need it to work for a little bit. I got my still, but I don't want to be in the woods. A lot of garbage in there. I'm cutting down a lot of blowdowns, and you're getting the chain hooked up in wire, you name it, that people have thrown out there over the decades. So I'm using this one.